Today, hearing matters will not be possible. This court has to rise early because of some personal difficulty. Okay.
My lord, may it please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, I'm praying for your lordship indulgence in allowing for posting of an urgent writ petition tomorrow, my lord. Now, this matter is very urgent because it involves
Motion.
Motion, my lord.
Motion, yes, but this
Tomorrow, my lord.
availability of this bench will not be there. It will be listed before an appropriate bench. If there is any difficulty, yes, have
My
it.
tomorrow, ma'am, we are just praying for posting it tomorrow.
Yes,
madam.
yes.
I'm highly obliged.
Motion, have you filed?
Yes, madam. We have file number is there, madam.
Okay, okay.
There's some serious urgency, so we are praying, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
What is the urgency, Mr.
My lord.
What is the urgency?
My lord, this involves, my lord, the service of few petitioners who have just rendered 9 to 10 years of regular service under Assam Marketing Agricultural Board. They have recently come out with a policy for VRS. In the cabinet decision, these petitioners are protected. Yesterday, my lord, day before, my lord, they have come out with a notification, my lord, without giving any regard to the cabinet decision regarding redeployment and re-employment of these young, my lord, service holders. They have simply compelled them to, my lord, submit applications for VRS. And the last date is on 12th of August 2024, my lord. My lord. I'm obliged, my lord.
May I please, your lord. My lord, these two items may please be listed for admission on 12/8, lordship.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, this is APDSL, lordship. One is non-payment of retirement benefit, lordship.
Okay, that is okay. The other one?
And other is compassionate appointment.
Compensation appointment, no urgency. The retirement benefit, yes.
Lordship.
Let I pray for a listing of a pending matter.
Subject matter?
My lord, non-payment of salary. Last 3 years, not paying salary. I applied for VRS letter also not paid.
Matter of which year?
My lord, 2023. Payment 3 years, my lord, is not getting salary.
When was it last posted?
6th May, my lord, no affidavit filed.
Okay, we'll have it on Wednesday next.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I pray for an urgent listing for tomorrow, my lord.
Motion matter.
Motion matter, my
What
lord.
is the urgency?
My lord, the petitioner before your lordship, he has been working since 2012. He is 51 years of age. My lord, an advertisement was issued by MSCP Kampar Silsar, in which the date notified for interview was notified on this 3rd of August. And the
For?
interview will be for the post of driver, my lord.
Driver.
3rd of August, he notified, and the interview will be held on this 11, my lord. So, my lord,
What is your grievance?
my grievance is that, my lord, to consider with regard to appear before the interview with regard to upper condonation of upper age limit.
51 is it? Where is the
I have been serving since more than 12 years in that post, my lord. My lord,
51? How can you be? What is the
because my
outer
lord,
limit of condonation?
because, my lord, in the rejected list, my lord, we have taken out the rejected list through online just now, in which one person was granted. He was 48 years, 1 month, some days. That person was allowed. We have taken up the list, my lord, and I am 51.
Difficult. Okay, we'll have
My
it
lord,
tomorrow.
My lord, obliged, my lord, highly obliged.
May it please the lordship, I have filed today morning on motion letter matter. Tomorrow, there is urgency in
What
the
is the
matter.
urgency?
Urgency, my lord, already discharge order has been passed at the age of 43 years illegally with
When?
effect from Monday.
When was it passed?
5th, my lord.
5th of?
August, my lord. With effect from Monday, so tomorrow is last day.
Last date for what?
My lord, if discharge is granted, my lord, I am
It has already been done on 5th of August.
Effect is not given, my lord.
How?
Tomorrow, my lord, I have filed.
Discharge, when is the effect? When will the effect take place? Immediately on the order, not from the date of communication.
Today, tomorrow, I am in service. Let me try, my lord, because illegally at the age of 43 years, my lord, without hearing his, my lord, problem.
Discharge is not a penalty, madam.
My lord,
Okay, we'll have it.
my lord.
Difficult.
May I
Yes.
please your lordship? My lord, item number 20, my lord. Matter
20.
pertaining to 20, my lord. Dismissal from service, my lord. With the same sort of allegation, other 2 persons were dismissed, my lord. They approached this court, my lord, and their 2 matters have been listed in the first week of September for final hearing. This matter may be taken with that.
What is the IA for?
My
IA for? What is the IA for?
IA for, my lord, IA petitioner was asked to vacate the quarter, my lord. By this honorable court passed interim order saying that till disposal, my lord, he will remain in the quarter, my lord.
Okay. It is submitted by Sri A.H.M.R. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, that 2 writ petitions on the same cause of action
Yes.
are scheduled to be listed on
First week of September
first week of September.
for final hearing.
What's up? One of those writ petitions are WPC
WPC 6228
6228 of,
2023, my lord.
how are you saying that these are on the same incident?
Same, my lord, same, my lord. By different disciplinary proceeding, allegation is same, my lord. And
That's what-
uh,
Accordingly, list this case along with the aforesaid writ petition in the first week of September. Yes,
My lord, another prayer, my lord, for listing of a pending matter. This matter is also dismissal from service, my lord. Pleading has been exchanged, my lord.
matter of which year?
Matter 2023, my lord.
23 dismissal matter. We have many matters of 2014,
My lord,
13.
my humble prayer is that in the meantime, pleading has already been exchanged. If the matter is taken in the next week for admission, my lord, then my lord, matter will be taken for final hearing in any convenient date, my lord.
Not a matter of out of turn listing, sorry. Next.
Like, may I ask your lordship, this matter relates to pension, lordship. The petitioner retired in the year 2020, lordship. And
Which
he has-
matter? Item number?
Lordship,
For listing?
For listing, lordship.
Matter of which year?
Matter of lordship 2014, lordship.
14?
Lordship, 2024, lordship, and it relates to pension, lordship.
Okay.
He retired from
When was it last listed?
last is on April.
Okay, pension matter, we'll have it on Friday next,
Oh,
not tomorrow,
alright.
next Friday. Give the date.
Take some time, Wonder.
Yes,
Government has filed affidavit.
yes, yes.
Certain things have been clarified, my lord, in this
Correct.
case, my lord. So, lordship, please, my lord, can go ahead with the submission, my lord, or some other day. There is some,
You need some time or what?
no, I can go ahead, my lord.
Huh?
I'm placing the fact.
No, no, you can
My
please.
lord. Now, selection process, my lord, in this case, my lord, these dates are very relevant with reference to the government affidavit, my lord.
Mr. Bora, you're for the government.
Lordship, otherwise this matter was being handled by Mr. Rahul Dhar. He's on legs in court number 1. So he's more versed with this particular matter than. So if suppose the matter is passed off for time being, your Lordship.
Time being today will be
that
difficult.
will be
We'll rise
difficult.
very early.
That's what
Okay.
it was.
Then we'll have it some other
Some
day.
other day, your Lordship.
Next Thursday, my lord.
What is the matter about?
My lord, that I was selected candidate in my place, respondent number 4, was an ad hoc appointee, has been regularized.
Oh, I think we have heard it
Yes,
sometime.
lordship.
You're
But
transferred.
he was
transferred.
transferred from to my place.
Tejpur to Hailakandi.
Put to, yes, my lord, Hailakandi.
Okay.
Now, government affidavit has clarified many things, my lord. Then it will take some time, my lord.
But yes, so far as you remember, you don't have a good case.
I have a very good case, my lord. Only the delay part, I have to convince your lordship.
Okay. Heard Sri B. Chakraborty, Learned Counsel for the petitioner who acknowledges receipt of a copy of the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 2. Put the para. A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri R. Dhar, Learned State Council. Para. As this matter is of the year 2017, list for admission hearing on
Thursday next.
Thursday next.
Thursday is the day, your Lordship.
Thursday is 15th.
15th.
Okay, we'll have it on 16th?
16th.
16th.
Today I am filing, during the course of the day, I am filing my appeal.
Affidavit, okay.
And my lord, may I pray, my lord, in the meantime, if necessary, we will file reply. Can it be on first week of September, my lord? On 6th of
Okay,
September,
okay.
yes.
Sri S.S. Roy, Learned State Council, CGC submits that the affidavit in opposition would be filed during the course of the day. Para. Sri P.K. Daka, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that rejoinder affidavit may be required. Full stop. Considering the above, comma, matter is directed to be listed in the first week of September. Full stop. Rejoinder, comma, if any, may be filed in the meantime.
Deeply obliged.
May it please your lordship. My lord, petitioner before your lordship is the Mitarida lordship. And he was engaged on 1/12/2010 lordship. Now he has completed more than 10 years lordship.
Hmm.
And lordships, this APDSL authority also issued the letter lordship certificate that he has been working since 1/12/2010 lordship.
Hmm.
Now, as he is drawing a meager amount lordships, my humble prayer, this similar order I have annexed along with this writ petition lordship,
Hmm.
same order may please be passed.
As far as, my lord, if my lord sees the prayer, my lord, prayer is for regularization, my lord. There was a one-time exercise that my lord is aware that DPDCL has already carried out that one-time exercise, my lord, in terms of the decision in Hikmat Devi.
Hmm.
Now, as far as his contention that he's been working since 2011, my lord, I have
2010.
2010, my lord, I have a set of instructions.
What does it say?
He's been irregular, my lord. He has only,
Why don't you file an affidavit?
my lord, I'll file an affidavit. It will
File an
perhaps be
affidavit,
clear.
because he knows to know if you're
Yes.
raising certain.
And if
May-
the issue, my lord, if his prayer is, he's limiting it to the
Minimum
pay for
pay.
enhanced remuneration, my lord, there is an office order that has been passed. He has not been given the benefit of that order yet, my lord, but there is an appeal provision under that very same order. He can, my lord, perhaps the direction may be issued to consider his case based on the representation, my lord.
Lordship,
See, regularization may not be possible under the current scenario, but your claim for enhanced pay,
enhanced pay
yes,
lordship.
that may be possible because under the scheme, and your initial application was rejected, but Learned Counsel says that there is a provision for filing an appeal.
Yes.
We can direct you to file an appeal for enhanced pay.
Lordship, already I have annexed along with this an order lordship. The same order may please be passed in this.
What was there?
My lord,
Lordship,
he's not,
page
he's not
22
similarly
lordships.
situated.
That is
Page 22 lordship. Relevant portion lordship, page 27.
27, we have read 27.
27.
My lord,
Chaudhary-
in terms
Chaudhary-
of that very
Chaudhary
order,
says
my
that it's not similar.
in terms of that very same order, my lord, this office order relating to enhanced remuneration has been passed. Now, if he's stubborn, he can file his objections, my lord. APDCL will consider it. Page 15 is the office order. So this-
You file an affidavit,
My
Mr.
lord, thank
Heard Sri R. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petition. Puts the para. Sri B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Counsel, APDCL. Submits that instructions have been received. Full stop. He has also disputed the proposition that the case of the petitioner would be covered by the decision of this court passed in WPC 1351 of 2020. Full stop para. Let an affidavit be filed by the APDCL for which 3 weeks time is granted. Yes, next.
you.
File it.
I live.
May I please is your lordship? Here, your lordship, petitioner is a requisite plumber, your lordship. Your lordship, under the for the seat post, your lordship, Assam Rifle Technical and Tradesman Recruitment Rally. That is
Hmm.
2018 to
Yes,
2000.
wait for the government. CGC,
Okay.
CGC, Mr. Locker, who is that? Ms. Barua?
Is the,
Okay. Pleadings have been exchanged.
yes, your lordship.
Okay.
Readings, I don't take much time, your lordship. Your lordship, then your lordship.
What is your,
My grievance is, your lordship, I'm challenging the impugn order as the rules has not been followed by them, your lordship. Their provided rule has not been followed and the petitioner has not given adequate time for your lordship, physical training, your lordship. Then your lordship, one provisional appointment has been issued upon,
you want to
petitioner.
complete the basic training and for recruitment as
training.
plumber?
yes, your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Locker?
He has been, as per our claim lordship, that he has been given sufficient time. There is 3 chance given. Thereafter, another special chance has been given. He could not pass them, so he.
You have stated in affidavit.
Your
Yes.
lordship, I would like to take your lordship to their affidavit, your lordship.
Madam, today there will be some difficulty. We'll have it some other day. Okay.
Tuesday.
Tuesday we can try.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Okay. it is submitted on behalf of the parties that the matter can be taken up for final disposal at the admission stage, full stop. As agreed to by the learned council, list on Tuesday for admission hearing. Yes. Five.
Please, your lord.
First, the matter may be passed over for a time being, but but is appearing this and.
A time being today will not be possible. We have to write.
Your
it.
lordship,
I
I am
think
also
not
having some
reading-
difficulties, lordship.
Some
Reading the
difficulty.
overall
difficulty.
What difficulty?
Lordship, I have some preoccupation, lord.
Okay.
Let it be on Tuesday, lordship, next.
Tuesday, we'll have it on Wednesday next.
Lordship,
on a-
otherwise,
on a-
readings are open.
Yes, on a joint request made by the learned council for the parties, matter is adjourned to be listed on Wednesday next, 14th.
May I please, your lord.
Yes.
It matter relates to removal from service of CRPL. And the allegation shall not be misconduct.
Yes,
and-
CGC. CGC, madam,
UK could some appear in this matter, lordship.
who?
UK could some.
Where is he?
Kindly, pass over the matter for typing, I will report.
A special matter.
Removal.
Removal.
Lordship, the simple issue is here that the article of charges which were lordship taken into account during inquiry. Above that also some foreign charges were also taken, then he was, and the.
Do 3AR Tahbil, the learned counsel for the petitioner is present, comma. Time has been sought for on behalf of Sri UK Goswami, learned CGC. Full stop, para. List on 14th,
Can it be after 16th lordship?
list on
20 lordship? Can it not 20 lordship?
20, okay,
20.
20,
20.
28, Bisat.
Obliged.
Yes, lordship. Lordship, this is a promotion matter, my lord. 2 weeks time may be granted to me, my lord, for filing the additional affidavit.
Why did you file rejoinder?
Yes, my lord, we have filed the rejoinder, we have some document that is necessary for the proper adjudication, my lord, only 2 weeks.
You should have given in the rejoinder.
After the rejoinder, we have received, my lord, that's why there is some rules and some.
Rules you can place it. Why do you need time to file affidavit? Rules you can place it before the court. Facts, pleadings are over by filing rejoinder. No more pleadings. Unless you make it an exceptional case, some new development, you want to place it on record. But rules, you can place it just like that. We'll have it for admission hearing.
Right.
Okay. Though Sri V. Kumar, learned counsel for the petitioner, has sought time to file additional affidavit, comma. This court is of the opinion that pleadings being complete, comma, no exceptional circumstance has been made out for allowing filing of any additional affidavit. Full stop. This court, however, gives liberty. No, Sri Kumar clarifies that certain rules, that clarifies that by the additional affidavit, comma, he wants to bring on record certain rules, full stop. Such rules can otherwise also be placed before the court when the matter is being considered.
Right.
Full stop. Para list. Miss Barua, as Barua learned CGC is present. As requested, list on
After 2 weeks, any date, my lord, after.
list after 2 weeks for admission.
My lord, if possible, the date may be.
List, then tell us a date. 2 weeks. 1, 2. On 27th.
My lord. Highly available.
Yes.
The petitioner, while working as an SDPO, is the.
The lordship has received the instruction of last petition. The lordship inquired as to on what basis after retirement of the petitioner, the disciplinary proceedings continue. So I've
Since
received two sets of
2012.
instructions from the one from the Home Department and the other one from the Assam Police Headquarters. From the Home Department, they have stated
Under
the,
the pension rules, you had passed orders.
no, Your Lordship, they have stated that under the pension rules, Rule 21, if the disciplinary proceedings are started prior to his retirement,
Hmm.
then no order is required to be passed in terms of Rule 21A.
It was continuing.
It is continuing.
No, no. The DP was continuing.
Yes, yes, it was.
It started while he was still in service.
Yes.
My submission will be, departmental proceeding was initiated in 2012. Only on the ground that petitioner could not control the ethnic movements, Boro movement at Disney area. That is the allegation. They have appointed the inquiry officer. Inquiry officer recorded the statement of all witnesses. Thereafter,
Now, what is the stage?
Lordship, my submission. Thereafter, Lordship, they have not communicated anything till filing of the writ petition. After filing the petition, they have started a fresh inquiry by appointing a fresh inquiry officer. After, Lordship, the long 8 years, not 8 years, 12 years. After long 12 years, they have started fresh inquiry.
And in the meantime, you have retired already.
I am retired. My leg has been amputated. I am in bedridden totally. I am not in a position to survive. So my submission to be, Lordship, the allegation is not controlling the political, that is ethnic movement. That is the allegation. And it has caused serious prejudice to me because already inquiry officer has been appointed. He has submitted his report or not. I do not know, Lordship. Everything has been recorded. And thereafter, Lordship, it has been continued till date without any finding.
Mr. Bora, so far as the continuity is concerned, you may fall back upon Rule 21. But his basic grievance that you are making a fresh inquiry after a long tenure.
No, what had happened
And in
here?
the meantime, he has retired. He's because he's under some serious medical difficulty, ailment.
The earlier inquiry officer, he
That
had
this
supposedly-
Rule 21 aspect, even if you hold in your favor and that the department proceeding was initiated during his tenure, then also we can adjudicate the matter.
Your Lordship, if I may suggest, Your Lordship, a simple direction may be given to the department authorities to conclude it within a specific time frame.
No, no. If since he has raised a question as to how you have, how can we give a direction? If we give a direction, that will amount to endorsing your stand. He is raising a question of legality, whether it be, we'll decide that.
Your Lordship,
We'll decide that.
take it up on any other day you can.
Supreme Court has categorically stated that Lordship, the pendency of departmental proceeding for last 12 years is a harassment. It will be, as per departmental proceeding manual, it should be completed in 3 months. And petitioner leg has been amputated and allegation is
Third Sri S.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Sri D. Bora, learned state counsel, has submitted that written instructions have been received and the departmental proceedings were continued in terms of Rule 21 within brackets small a of the Assam Services Pension Rules 1969. Full stop. Para. Sri Goswami, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has however submitted that the initiation of a de novo inquiry is itself illegal. That too, after about 8 years. 8 years.
So 8 years, it is more than Lordship 2012. 12 years.
That too after about 12 years. Full stop. He has also submitted that the petitioner has surpassed the age of superannuation in the meantime and is also under serious
Health condition.
Serious ailment, also suffering from serious ailments. Full stop. Para. On the prayer of Sri Bora, the Learned State Council, matter is adjourned to be listed on. Yes, tell us.
Any day, Your Lordship. Next week,
Next 15th we cannot, Thursday it was.
yes,
Next week we are slightly handicapped. 16th we can try. 16th. Okay? 16th. You can take this back.
Item 9.
Lordship, this IAS for amendment of the petition. That is respondent number 1. Earlier it was Commissioner Secretary for different departments, including our department, that is the Employment and Craftsman Training. But due to objection raised by the State Council of the State Government, so it is amended, and the Director of Employment and Craftsman Training, Secretary and Commissioner to the Employment and Craftsman Training. But the same Commissioner and Secretary holding different departments. But I have only the grudge against the craftsman training, and we are selected by craftsman training for physically handicapped for candidates, physically handicapped, permanently physically handicapped. This is only the amendment. That is respondent number 1. Director and Commissioner, Employment Craftsman Training. Earlier it was Skill Employment, Entrepreneurship, Industries, Commerce, Public Enterprises, Extension Company, Transport Department, etc.
Yes. Government.
Senate Council, there are SPs for green. That name has been shown, and SC Industries.
As industries is there. But how does it make a difference? Initially, he had made Commissioner Secretary who was looking after, incidentally at that time, a number of departments. He had mentioned all the departments,
All
but those departments are not connected. So it is the Commissioner Secretary of this particular departments, craftsman.
No.
Now he wants to change it. We'll allow this. What is your name, Pandit?
S.C. Pandit.
Arthur S.C. Pandit, Learned Counsel for the applicant, who by means of this application has prayed for amending the cost title so far as the description of the respondent number 1 is concerned. Full stop. It is submitted that while describing the respondent number 1, comma, 2 other departments were mentioned as the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam. Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship was also in charge of the other 2 departments. Full stop.
Correct.
However, comma, it is clarified that it is only the Department of Employment and Entrepreneurship which is the relevant department, and accordingly, the amendment has been sought for. Full stop. Also heard Sri A. Chakraborty, Learned State Council. Full stop. Para, after hearing, comma, the instant IA is allowed, and the respondent number 1 be described as page 4. Good, full stop. This who takes notice of this?
No, skill development is a separate council.
Who SP does?
Yes, not industries there, Lord.
No, skill development.
J.K. Goswami, Lord. Jayanta Goswami, Lord. Planning Council of Skill Development.
I stands disposed of. Then in the main petition you write, the IA for amendment, IA number so and so for amendment has been allowed by an order passed today. That is so and so date. The by the said amendment, comma, the description of the respondent number 1 has been changed, has been allowed to be changed to A4. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Sri S.C. Pandit, is accordingly required to file amended cost title within a week. Full stop. Since this court has been informed that the aforesaid department has a standing counsel, comma, copies of the writ petition be served upon the Learned Standing Council. Hearing we will not take it up today.
Item 10, some date maybe.
He'll give it. Which
Okay.
matter?
Item 10.
Matter of which year?
Matter of 12.
সোনকালে দি দিলো খালি অলপ চাই ইমিডিয়েটলি টিউজডে নিদিবা টিউজডে মোৰ অলপ অসুবিধা হ'ব পাৰে নেক্সট টিউজডে নিদিবা নৰ্মেল ডেটত দি দিব পাৰে আমি হিয়াৰিং লৈ ল'ব পাৰিম
Public.